Okay, there's the whole kit and caboodle. It's on a wheeled stand that's made out of wood, and then we have this paper that it's like a vinyl that actually it is good that it didn't cost a lot, because that's what they love to do. I'd rather them do that to the paper than to the wood. So there's Indy Boo! But this is actually Keiko and Kamali's cage. At night, Kamali goes in there, and here is Indy and Luca's cage. Yeah, I've had to label them. Lots of stuff. And this is Kalino's cage. He loves that swing. And here's Sweetie Pie. Give him a bigger cage. Lots of stuff to do, because every time he comes out, somebody picks on him. That's Kalino in the back. And they're actually in Keiko's cage, and because you know food is better in somebody else's cage, right? Even though it's the same. You're a pretty bird indeed. Hello, Kalino. Kalino. Luca, pretty baby. Okay, this is Charlie's cage. He got a bigger cage. Yay! And of course, this is Yoshi's. And see, they all stay open all day long, so that they can go in and out. They closed up at night. And here, this is that's a little mixture of the fruits and veggies. Hi, Keiko. So this is that really cool tree stand with little tents, bottle brush tree. I can take that, shake it out, put it in the washer. Come here, Kamali, step up. Good boy. Good boy. And then this is, of course, the first one that we had. And this is for the Keats. And why it's not that big? Because the Keats always get to run around just like that all day long. So, there you have it.